Torture. Absolute torture. Yeah. Nice.
I want to go home. I'm wet.
Fuck this.
Yeah, man, what the fuck? Man, this is my bag.
Hello. Yeah, baby. Let's go. How do you feel?
Aroused? I'm like at a semi right now, maybe like 40% student.
Oh my god. Going camping. How do you feel? I feel so good.
Hi, Will Cribben. I'm recording you with both GoPros in case you don't like one of the angles. So I'm getting you from both angles right now.
In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got.
Look at that up there.
It's only like half. We're like halfway.
It's funny because it looks miles away, but it's also just like deceptive in that way.
Yeah.
It actually looks closer than it is.
Yeah.
But it's also that's pretty cool actually. Why does it look like somebody lives up there?
Don't believe me.
Why does it look like someone lives up there?
Bro.
Like right up that way, this way.
This would be a nice place to camp, you know that?
Yeah. Put my tent right on that rock.
Show me your gritty. Show me your gritty.
Show me your gritty,
Gritty's
man.
off.
Oh, caw.
I like you here. Caw. Caw.
Actually, sorry.
I can't see him.
I hate it here. I don't like it.
Okay, with help post play Olivia Rodrigo.
No, guys, I don't see him, but I hear him. He's up here.
Caw.
Caw.
I want to go home.
He's holding me hostage. My
Caw.
If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you go down or return at 25.
You first give me a kiss on the way down.
When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by.
Lads, you do want to sit for a bit more? This is not going to be nice. It's not good. I don't know. I mean, I hope you don't mind your shoes getting fucked. There's no muddy, unmuddy path. And fuck, all the way up, it's all mud.
I bet. I'm so taken off with
L!
Where is the walking track to get to Loch Helen?
He's way more shit.
Fuck yeah, dudes. Yeah, we did it. Where's Glenn? What the fuck? Right. Let's move our bags across.
Guys.
Yeah?
What's in that car going on?
When I grab people, when I dirty, when I mean, we love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, lives we're living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy, da-da-da, dee-da-da-dee-da-da-da-da.
Hey man.
It stopped raining. I want to go get some wood.
I need to put socks on, which means I need to get them out of my bag, which is just like
Right,
so much
so-
work.
Do you want to go into the tents for a bit?
I think so.
I mean, I want to sit in these chairs for a bit while you guys do that.
let's
I think I want to get my shit together.
Right, let's go.
It looks really funny. No, it'll be so.
Day 43.
You're gonna hit me on camera. No.
Adam's really annoying me. I'm really upset because we don't have food yet and I'm really hungry. Fuck this. Piece of shit fucking camping trip.
A frisbee.
Yeah, but like. Yeah, like.
Yeah, let's say frisbee here. What was that like every day?
I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
And these loves fucking attached, dog. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
He's
Get him! Get him!
I'm copping field! I'm copping field! It's kind of. I haven't moved. See the little angry bear.
Dara, can you make food?
I would be like,
How?
just come
It's
through
raining.
now. It's raining.
Glenn, what's the weather saying right now?
Oh, man, it's
What's the weather
I
man
like
saying?
it there, weatherman.
Let me see. I think it's raining.
Is it?
Can we fact check this?
Yeah, go check.
No.
I told you to get one.
Oh my god. I severely need to eat.
It sounds awful.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I leaned forwards to adjust. Like my fingers.
Guys, get out here!
Wow.
Is it raining?
Currently, no.
Let's just get out here and start.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! He knocked it out.
I hate this so much. Torture. Absolute torture.
So guys, it's Sunday already. The weather didn't clear up, but you know we got through, and you know we had a great time.
It was great.
3 days. Woo!
Forgot to record it.
Yeah, I forgot to record all of it though. So yeah, we're going home now. But it was deadly. Yeah, great time. Yeah.
It's a bit deeper than I thought.
In the summertime, when the weather is hot, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find.
Oh my god, I didn't get any of that.
If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel.
Guys, look at this. We can't see anything. We're just on a mountain. I don't know where I am. Are we on a mountain? I lost both my shoes. I don't know. What do I do? Bro.
Legs first, yeah. Alright, fucking.
That's shite, that's not hot.
Yeah, and it's delicious.
Oh, it's fucking toast.
It's the most entertainment I've had on.
It's frog o'clock.
Froggy chair. go home. I'm wet.
You don't look wet.
I don't look wet.
No. Your face is actually blurred right now by the rain.
Good.
It looks funny.
Good.
Do you see that?
Oh yeah, that's kind of. I look like I have a massive nose.
This makes you appreciate having a bed. Oh wait, I have my.
Yeah, shine that torch on you.
Just fuck this.
Yeah. Whole time.
That's a good ending.
Yeah.
Just end it on fuck this.
In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel.